Welcome to our video journey where we explore the fascinating world of pronunciation, unraveling the mysteries behind each word and its usage. In this video, the word is accentuate. 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 Accentuate is a verb that means to emphasize, highlight, or make something more noticeable or prominent. It's used to draw attention to a particular aspect or feature. Here are some examples. Example number 1. The lighting in the art gallery was designed to accentuate the colors and details of the paintings. Why accentuate is used in example number 1. Accentuate is used to describe the intentional design of the lighting to make the colors and details of the paintings more prominent. Example number 2. The use of contrasting colors in interior design can accentuate the visual appeal of a room. Why accentuate is used in example number 2. Accentuate is used to explain how the use of contrasting colors can enhance the visual appeal of a room. Stay tuned for more linguistic wonders and join us in unlocking the magic of language. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep speaking, writing, and embracing the beauty of words.